Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use NotebookLM to generate slides and also how you are going to edit those slides as well. So let's go ahead and get started. If you're not familiar with NotebookLM, I strongly recommend you go ahead, give it a try. I just went to notebooklm.google.com, and if you come here and click create new, now you can simply upload PDF documents, you can upload Microsoft Word documents, you can include links to websites, for example, YouTube videos. And now NotebookLM is going to take all that information, and now you can create podcasts out of it. You can create videos. You can create PowerPoint presentations. And I would say over the last quarter or so, NotebookLM became incredibly powerful, and you'll be amazed at how incredible these slides would look like and how realistic as well. So let me show you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to assume that I wanted to create PowerPoint presentations on, let's say, batteries or second life batteries, for example. So what I've done here is I included a link of resources, and I'm going to share this Word document as well with you. So if you go up here, you'll find there is a link, for example, to one of these YouTube videos. I'm just going to click on websites here or YouTube, just paste that video here. I'm going to click insert. And now you should see on the left-hand side, now I have a YouTube video as one of the sources to create PowerPoint presentations. And I'm going to say add sources as well. And now I can upload files. So I'm going to say upload files now. And now I'm going to drag all these different PDF documents as an example. So I'm going to click open. And now I included as well additional PDF files. Okay. So what you could do is now you can basically start typing. You can chat with NotebookLM around or about these documents that you uploaded on the left-hand side. What you could do as well is now you can simply click on slide deck. So if you click here on that icon, now you have the ability to create detailed slide deck. This is more of a comprehensive deck. Or you can create presenter slides. These are more of a clean visual slides with key talking points. So I'm going to say I want a detailed deck, and now you can select either short slides or you can select the default size as well. And what you could do is now you can simply come here, and now you can customize the prompt. Now you can simply tell the AI model what you want to include as part of your PowerPoint slides. So for example, here I'm asking it, okay, I want you to design a PowerPoint slide that answers the question, should EV batteries be used, reused, or recycled? So I'm just going to copy that prompt. I'm going to come back. I'm going to paste it here. And I'm also going to include that I wanted to have the slides cover cost, safety, environmental impact, and policy. You can simply just click generate, and what's going to happen behind the scenes is now you have NotebookLM is going to, of course, use Google Gemini behind the scenes and also Nano Banana model as well to create these PowerPoint slides. So please note that it's going to take maybe like 5 minutes or so for the model to run. So what I've done here is actually ran it beforehand. So this is what I ran here before. Let's go ahead and open it. So I already ran it, and I used the exact same prompt and everything. And now if you click on these PowerPoint slides, and let's make it here bigger, look at these incredible PowerPoint presentations. And look at these numbers. Like AI, like 6 months ago, wasn't able to create or kind of come up with these detailed numbers and letters. And now you can see it just had like an amazing leap forward. Now you can see the diagrams actually makes complete sense, right? Like you have EV batteries retirement, you're doing screening. Now you can repurpose them. You can do like material recovery, and all of these images have been created right now on the spot with the power of artificial intelligence. I think we are very close to, I would say, singularity, where we have kind of an AI model that is more intelligent than all humans combined. And you can see it happening here. I don't think any human will be able to create these amazing PowerPoint slides in less than a minute. And you look at these diagrams, and they actually make sense. And they also cover the topics that I included as part of my prompt. Okay, so this is great. Now you're probably wondering, okay, how can I edit these slides? Well, right now, you don't have the ability to edit them. Probably Google will release this maybe like in a few months or so. But in the meantime, what you could do is now I can simply click here, and you have the ability to share them or download them as a PDF. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to download this as a PDF. So now I've got it here. And what you could do is I'm going to have kind of a simple trick to take these PDF documents and convert them into a PowerPoint. So what I'm going to do here is you just need to search for PDF to PowerPoint. And I'm going to use Canva. So if you go ahead and click on it, now you should see Canva here, free PDF to PowerPoint converter. So I'm going to click that. And here I'm going to upload the PDF that I downloaded. So I'm going to come back, and I'm going to navigate to the downloads. And this is simply my PDF that has been generated with NotebookLM. So it's going to take some time. And please note that you might need the Canva Premium here to be able to run that. So here we go. So now I was able to import the PDF inside of Canva. So what I'm going to do is now I can click on Edit. Let's assume that I'm going to edit this slide. So I'm going to go back to Edit. And if you go on the left-hand side here, you'll find you have a Magic Studio. And now if you go here, you can click on Grab Text. And again, because I have the Canva Premium, it's like $30 or so a month. Now you have the ability to basically grab the text and edit it as well. So now I can come here and let's actually go back. And now you have, let's say, let's do it again. So I'm going to go to Edit, and then I'm going to grab here our grab text. And if I'm happy with the text that I've been able to, I'm going to say basically all text, I'm going to say grab. And now I was able to grab all the text that I've got in the PowerPoint slides. Now I can simply have all this data here is editable. Of course, you'll find the text here has been converted, but of course you can come here. You can basically change the font. For example, you can change the font like that. And now you got an editable, basically PowerPoint presentation. And of course, you can do that here as well to any text that you've got. So what I could do now I can click on Microsoft PowerPoint, and now I can export that into I'm going to actually grab all the slides here. Okay, so I'm going to select all pages, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to say download. And now I can select simply PowerPoint presentation. So this is kind of the default setting that I've got here. And now we should have a PowerPoint slides here. Let me show you. So now I'm going to open PowerPoint slides. And now you should see all the PowerPoint slides that we created here before. And of course, because here I took that and I wanted to edit it, now you have all of that is simply as editable text. And of course, you can go ahead and adjust or play around with the font here. With that, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.